Hey guys, Trevor here with E-commerce Paradise, and today I'm going to talk to you about Grasshopper. Grasshopper review is a keyword that gets typed into YouTube and Google a lot, and that's because people are looking, just like you, are looking for information about Grasshopper, what it is and what people think about it, and if they should really buy it for their business or not. And I use it for all my businesses now, and I wanted to talk about why. So Grasshopper is really cool because it's built for small business. It's built to be easy to use. I've used a number of other phone systems before, and this one is the easiest, and it's also my favorite. So it's really easy to find a number when you get in there. If you go to ecommerceparadise.com/grasshopper, or you click the link in the description below, it'll take you to this landing page where you get to search a 1-800 number. So you can choose, any kind of a number you want, or you can choose a name, or you can just browse local numbers, but it's up to you. And if you don't really care, you can just click search and see what 1-800 numbers are available. I recommend getting a 1-800 number for your e-commerce business just because it looks very professional. It looks professional to suppliers and it looks professional to customers, and so they're much more likely to do it. And here they have selected a toll-free number for me, 800-824-3183. That's a great number. So if I wanted to buy that, they would reserve it. And the billing is set up either monthly or annually. So you can choose annually if you want to save money. If you're sure that your business is going to make lots of money, then it'll definitely save you some money over the long run. It's about $5 a month, so you'll definitely be good there. Now I recommend if you're just starting out, just get the one number because you're only going to need one number really, and just go with the monthly when you first start out. $29 a month is a really good low price. Maybe after the first few months, once your e-commerce business is very successful, you can upgrade to yearly and save a bit of money that way. All plans include business texting. You can read your voicemail. You can receive inbound faxes, which is really nice. You can do call forwarding to your cell phone. You get unlimited minutes, voicemail, custom greetings, desktop and mobile apps to use, to answer and to send, to make calls, and Wi-Fi calls are included as well. And there's no long-term contract, so it's really cool. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason you don't like it. And they have lots of other FAQs down here if you're interested. But for now, you just go ahead and get signed up with billing monthly and enter your info, and then I will see you on the other side. I'm going to show you what it looks like to set up your account. All right, so after the onboarding, you can land on your account, and this is the number that was given to me for my business, ecommerceparadise.com. First, it'll show you your messages, but the first thing you want to do is probably go to your account settings. Here it's going to show you, all your account settings, your address, payment information, anything like that that you need. I'm not going to show you that just out of, privacy, but you can look at your features. So you can add features here. You can add numbers if you wanted to. You can create your main greetings here, or you can use the system default. You can add or remove users, and you can choose your hold music or just use the system set music. Okay, so that's settings. And then they have apps that you can use along with Grasshopper, which is really cool. So if you're interested in kind of expanding and using your cell phone, and stuff like that, expanding locations, then you can do that. All right, you can look at your reports. You can establish your extensions, which extensions go to who and stuff like that. You can edit your extensions here. So what happens when somebody calls that, is going to go to that number, and what happens when a message gets left? Well, it's going to go to this email, and you can set your greeting there for that extension as well. So once everything's set up, your greeting set up, your message is set up, and your forwarding set up, it's kind of off your hands, and you can set that phone number up anywhere on your website. And then once that's done, you can have it changed to be forwarded to anybody at any time. So let's say you hire a virtual assistant. You can remove your phone number from the forwarding on that extension and add the phone number for your virtual assistant Skype account in the Philippines, and they would forward to them. If you hire a virtual receptionist service like PatLive, which I recommend, you can go to ecommerceparadise.com/PatLive, check them out. Link is in the description below. You can have it forwarded to them. By the way, if you want to hire a virtual assistant, I recommend using Online Jobs, and it's ecommerceparadise.com/online jobs, and you can check that link in the description as well. So once you're done with that, you can go to messages and calls. This is where you're going to see all your messages and calls. You'll check your voicemails here. You could check any faxes, any deleted messages, all your calls that happened, and what happened, missed calls, and any numbers that you've blocked and stuff like that. It's all here. So really easy. And of course, if you don't want to do the voiceovers for if you don't want to do the voice recordings for your messages, you can choose to have a professional voiceover done through them, or you can go to Fiverr.com. I recommend them for voiceovers, so go check out ecommerceparadise.com/Fiverr. Link is in the description for that as well. And if you want to transfer your number to another carrier if you sell your business, it's easy to do that as well. So go check out Grasshopper, guys. I highly recommend it. I use it for my businesses, and you should definitely use it for yours. Again, the referral link of mine is ecommerceparadise.com/grasshopper, and link is in the description for that as well. And by using my referral link, you'll be supporting my channel, so I can bring you more awesome videos like this and bring you more cool tutorials. I really do appreciate it, and we'll see you guys out there. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below, and like the video and share with your friends. Take care.